another day in Europe. Basically, we're out of work. And guess who's getting down and trying to get a picture? Tusk. This is out of the park, so basically, we can get down and take pictures and all.
The ticket office as usual.
Yeah.
And
get a ticket.
Got a bit late.
Yeah.
But we'll be lucky to see the leopard.
Yeah.
Very close.
Like, we skipped about 5 hours or something because we did not see anything. We just saw like crocodiles and storks and maybe a couple eagles. Like, that's not much. We did not see anything. I'm just gonna sit here editing some videos and having biscuit, and then I've got some water. I'm just over here. Like, there's some other people today also. There was only us and a couple foreigners yesterday. It's like us and one jeep. So yeah, basically, hopefully we see some stuff today in the evening, but I'll try to take as much as video as I can. Yeah. And I'm gonna try breaking this because I want to see what's inside. So. We've got this like type of paste here or something, and let's try opening this all like this. Okay. Oh yeah, so we've got this over here. It's like a little seed. I think this is like a fruit or something. Yeah, the national park, and yeah, hopefully we see some leopards because yesterday we did not see any leopards.
Really hungry to see some leopards.
Yeah, but we did see a bunch of bears throughout the past. Yeah. All of these jeeps here are trying to get at least a small glimpse of the bear. Guys, now we are back on the road and where are we going next? Okay, so next we are going to Kamava and hopefully we see some animals over there. Guys, basically we just passed Kamava and we did not see any leopards. Now we are heading over to the place where we saw the leopard in the morning today. Raining like crazy, and yeah. I hope to see the leopard in rain though.
Leopard in the rain.
And check it out. This is so crazy. Just saw the leopard. I got some quick zoom shots of the leopard getting down the rock and then the leopard got on top of the rock again. Just got a quick stop here because we got some work on here. We are just on the way out of the park and we just saw a puppy.